Hello guys, this camera is great, but it has some issues. So if I'm recording a video that is longer than 12 minutes, it cuts in a chunk of 12 and 45 seconds. 12 minutes, 45 seconds. This is no problem, I just put it on timeline, but no video is missing, but it's always missing some voice. There is a millisecond of silence that sometimes is deal breaker, like in this case. This was one concert, and listen to this. Here you can see 1-2 frames of silence. So this is how it sounds like. This I cannot use. I recorded externally, but I don't know what's the case here. Maybe here also. Let me see. Here is half of the frame of silence. It's still something. So I don't know if you have any idea how I can solve this problem. It would be great. It's a pity. It's a great camera, but in this case, this is a deal breaker. So please let me know.